Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. Today is Elle's birthday. What a great day it's going to be today. It's a fun weekend. We have definitely got a busy one with the boys' christenings as well tomorrow. Don't worry about coin content tomorrow though. That was quite difficult to say. Coin content tomorrow. There's going to be plenty. Now I can't speak. Plenty scheduled up, so don't worry. There will be plenty up there for you to watch tomorrow. This video though, Elle's birthday, she's picked 5 random £2 coins. All you want to do if you want to get your hands on them all is comment below your favourite commemorative £2 coin. Elle is just going to pick a comment at random and you will find out this evening. It is going to be a bit of a fast one. You will find out at 9 o'clock this evening who is going to be the winner of these 5 coins. 5 stunners actually. Yes, they've been taken from my collection, but we'll let Elle off because it's her birthday. 5 stunners. We've got 2 stickers as well, the Dan's Dollars stickers there. And we'll actually throw in a few of the cases as well, protective cases. So you can put them in there. Maybe you want to put some other coins of value in there, or maybe just some nice coins that you want to keep tidy at home. We'll throw some of those into the bundle as well. So again, just comment your favourite £2 commemorative. Elle's going to pick one at random, so please don't blame me. And then we'll get the winner at 9 o'clock this evening. Again, I really do hope you all have an amazing weekend. Sorry that I am super busy. Some of the videos might be a little bit shorter than normal. However, we are going to try and get as much exciting content up as possible for you all. As always, guys, I really do wish you all an amazing weekend. Plenty of videos coming up today. We've got the weekend swaps video. We've also got 15 coins that I managed to get from my friend. He's got a local car park, so I've been over this morning, picked those up. And yeah, again, plenty of review videos, and we'll try and get a coin hunt up as well. Have a blessed weekend as always, guys. And again, thank you all so much for your support. We hit 25,000 subscribers, 25,000 family strong last weekend. We've already had 150 more since then, and I honestly just cannot believe it. Again, look after yourselves, everyone. Stay safe. Thank you all so much. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.